students, today we are going to learn general knowledge subject 3rd standard set number 5, some instrument and equipment. Pictures of some instrument and equipment are given below. Under each of the picture, write the name of the professional using them. So students, here are some equipment are given and you want to find out the name of worker. Let's see the picture alternately. Here you can see at the last of the pictures there is an answer is given, but these answers are not in sequence. You want to find out correct answer for correct picture that is not given in particular sequence. You want to find out the answer of correct picture. So firstly, see first picture. Here is the instrument which is called as computer, and the occupation for computer is computer programmer. Next picture. These all equipment are used for dentist. Next picture. Microscope is useful for pathologist. Next picture. Optics and small tools are useful for watch repair. Wire, screwdriver, buttons and bulb useful for electrician. Occupation is electrician. Next picture. These tools are useful for cobbler. Cobbler is a person who makes our chappals, sandals and shoes. These instruments, tire, sketching and some tools are useful for mechanic. Shaving machine, thread, buttons and needle is useful for occupation that is called as tailor. Tailor, tailor. Now next picture. Camera and light setup is useful for occupation is photography. Photographer use these instruments. Next picture is some tools, pipes, tap and elbows are used for occupation that is plumber. Plumber, plumber. Now next picture. Cement, bricks and water level. These are useful in occupation that is called as mason. Next picture is a wood cutting tool is useful for carpenter. Carpenter make furniture, so he use these tools. Now students, let us see next set number 6, some important days. This is set number 6, very small set. The answer of this set is given in the last box, but not in correct sequence. You want to find out correct answer for correct question. Here students, you will see Here are given some special day and you want to find out correct date for that day. So first of all we will see first day. First day is Independence Day. So we celebrate Independence Day on 50 August. Next, Republic Day. Answer is 26 January. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Next, Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Flag Day. We celebrate Flag Day on 7th December. Then is Martyrs Day. We celebrate it in twice in a year. First is 23 March and second is 13th January. Next is Teachers Day. We celebrate Teacher Day on 5th September. Now see the next set. The next set is set number 7. Some important game. Now some sport equipment are given and you want to find out the correct name for correct game. Picture of some equipment are given below. State the name for the game which is given equipment is associated. First picture is, you will well understood this is a tennis bat racket and this is a tennis ball. So this game is lawn tennis. Now this instrument is called as skeet and skeet is useful for the game that is skeeting. Now next picture is, this is hockey stick and this is a hockey ball. So this game is hockey. Next picture you will see, here are some stumps, ball and bat. So this game is cricket. Now next, here is a basket hanging on a desk and ball is jumping on that basket. So this game is basketball. Now next picture is, here is a net and a big ball is given. So this game is called as volleyball. In next picture, here is table and small rat is given and small net is present on the table. This game is called as table tennis. This is table tennis game. Now next picture is also play on table, but special type of table which have holes in the corner and one stick is used. That stick is called as cue. Cue is used for this game and that is called as billiards game. Now next picture is for ground game. This is ground playing game. This play in the big nest which is both side of the ground and player play with the big ball which is play with their foot. So this game is called as football. Now next picture, here is a racket and one flower. So this game is called as badminton. This is game called as badminton. This game is played in India for entertainment. So students, today we see this set and last question for this set is here. Name of some sport equipment are given below. Against each equipment, write the name of the game which is associated. Here are some name are given of the equipment. Here is not picture. Here are some name of the equipment and you want to find correct answer for that. In the above you will see the picture, but here is only name and you want to find out a name, correct name for game. So stump, I have already tell you stump is used in cricket. Yes. Now second, skid, I have already tell you ski is used in skiing game, skating game. Yes. Now next, cue, already I have told you that cue is used in billiards game. Yes. Now next, shuttlecock is, that means the flower of bat is flower. Here we have seen slutter means this flower is called as shuttlecock. So this is game which is known as badminton. Badminton. So students, this exercise is over. Today we have learned 3 exercises. First is set number 5, some instrument and equipment. Second is this set number 6, some important days. And set number 7, that is some important games. So students, I hope you understand these 3 set. So complete this 3 set and enjoy the holiday.